how to fix no sound issue in Mobile Legends on iPhone. So if you want to fix no sound issue in Mobile Legends on your iPhone, then what you need to do is just follow these steps. First solution is to check your sound settings. First up, ensure that your silent mode is turned off. Now press the volume up button to increase your device volume. Next, launch the Mobile Legends application. After opening a Mobile Legends, you will have this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with settings, which is on the top right. Once you're on your settings here, you will have this kind of interface. You need to go with the sound. And under sound, make sure that the main volume is turned on. Now adjust the volume for music sound effects, for hero voice, for system notification, test if you can hear anything in the game. And after that, your second solution is to offload your Mobile Legends. To do that, you need to just open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and go with general. Under general, you need to scroll down again and go with iPhone storage. Under iPhone storage, you need to scroll down and you will find Mobile Legends. You need to just simply tap on Mobile Legends. Like for example, if I go with Roblox right here, I have offload app. So in the same way, you need to go with Mobile Legends and then offload the application. After offloading, restart and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.